I just wanted to do a real quick review of one of these Ulanzi, the BG-1 Ulanzi battery stick. I just got this. For my GoPro. I think I paid around $39 up here in Canada. You might be able to get it cheaper. This is the BG-1. It's the one with the 5200 milliamp power in it, and I see now at a few of the places you can get the BG-2 that has a little bit more storage capacity for about the same price, and it's a bit smaller. Yeah, so this one, it's almost 8 inches long, weighs about 200 grams, less than half a pound. It's light. It's probably made out of aluminum. It comes with a couple of cables. It comes with the USB to USB-C, that goes into my GoPro. And it also comes, this is longer than the one it came with, it also comes with a USB to a micro USB, and I've been using that to charge the camera. And speaking of charging, it seems like it takes about 3 hours when it's completely spent. It seems it takes me about 3 hours to charge it. I'm just using my cell phone charger, and I plug the USB into it and plug it into the wall, and that's been working fine. When you're charging it, there's some lights here. There's a little button you press, and you can see the 4 lights now are fully illuminated. That's because it's fully charged. When it's spent and you plug it in, well, the first light will start blinking, and then as it charges, the consecutive lights will blink, and once it stops blinking and it's a solid light, you're fully charged. Now, one of the reasons I got this was for doing time lapse, because I wanted to do long day to night time lapses. This one here I got with the 1/4 inch screw on it. Put my cell phone clip in there. I've done a video on mounting options for the GoPro. I'll put a link up that in the top right corner for you. But anyway, my cell phone clip mounts on there, and I plug into the plug-in, and then I can mount this on my tripod. So I've got a real nice solid platform, and this battery with the GoPro, with the settings set for battery saving options, turning off voice command, GPS, things like that to save the battery. I got about 10 hours of runtime doing a day to night time lapse with the Ulanzi battery. So I'm really happy with that. I haven't tested it yet in normal shooting mode, but a video I looked at on YouTube, somebody was using a battery pack with even less milliamp than this one, and he got about 6 hours of runtime. He was up on a ski hill. He basically shot all day with it, and he got about 6 hours of runtime. So this will probably even get more than that shooting basic video. And I think that's really all there is to say about this, and that's about all there is you need to know about this. It's a great addition to your kit. If you're using GoPro, or it'll work with some of the other action cams, because you can put that on there and then you don't have to stop and change batteries. So and if you want to do long time lapses, it's a great addition. I highly recommend it. So cheers, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on professional video production. You'll find links up here. I've got a whole series on video production, and I do gear reviews as well as production tips. And also check out my website, Vancouver Chronicles, where you'll find documentaries and lifestyle vignettes featuring the people and the places of Vancouver Island. Cheers. Thanks for watching.